What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm not naked, y'all. I got a little tube top situation going on. But anywho, today we are doing Joker from the Suicide Squad, baby. I love him. So before we start and get into this video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video because, yeah, what's not to like about it? It's the Joker, okay? And leave me a comment and let me know how I did and if you would do this too. But, all right, so I am doing my favorite part, which is my eyebrows. And I'm taking this jumbo pencil from NYX in the color Milk. And I'm just going to white out my eyebrows. This is just going to give me a clean base to put the green over and make sure it'll be vibrant and not all dark. We want this green to be popping, baby. Real popping. I feel like I look like that thing from Courage the Cowardly Dog. So now I am going in with an angled brush and putting green all on my eyebrows. Just like I would fill in my eyebrows any other time. Just doing the same exact thing. Now I am cleaning them up with concealer that is low-key the same color as me. Just cleaning them up, making them sharp, because no matter what kind of look I do, I promise you, my eyebrows are gonna be lit. On to priming my face. Give you something little cute action, I guess. I don't know. I was just BSing. And I'm doing my chest as well. And I'm taking a foundation that is really pale for me, or too light for me. And then putting my white paint pot from Wet n Wild on top of it. And now I am putting a gray all over my eyelid and smoking it out. And I'm adding a little bit of black at a time because I hate black eyeshadow. Like, me and black eyeshadow do not get along. So I'm just going in slow with the gray. I put the gray, I do a little bit of black, and just go back and forth until I get what I want. As you can see, I'm going all in with this black now because I'm just impatient and I'm just ready for it to get on my eyes. So I'm just going in, smoking it out, going back and forth with the gray if I see something, and letting it be what it is, because it's not gonna be neat anyway. I don't want it neat. The only thing I want neat on my face is my eyebrows, okay? And I'm putting it on my lower lash line. I'm putting gray first, and then I'm going to go back on top of it with black and smoke it downward. after that, I am bringing some of the eyeshadow down, smoking it down like it's runny and stuff on my face. Like I said, I don't want it to be neat. I want to look, you know what I'm saying? Like I've been out there, you know? Who are we? We're the Joker, okay? We need to look badass. Excuse my language. So right now I'm putting green underneath my lash line now. And then I decided to put some purple shimmer on top of the black on my lid. So now I am contouring with gray. And on my forehead, I just went full gray. And on my cheeks, or on my nose too, I went gray. And on my cheeks, I put gray. And I put a little brown to mix it together to give it a little, you know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to get this nose real skinty because Joker's nose is, yeah. And I'm doing my body, or my neck and clavicles as well. Now I'm drawing my J and I'm writing damaged on top of my forehead. So I didn't like my D, so I redid it. Ain't nothing wrong with it, you know. Players mess up. You know what I'm saying? Players fuck up. So now I'm outlining my lips with black. Because I don't want a bright, bright, bright red. I want a little mystery, you know what I'm saying? And boom. So right here I drew a like stack of cards and I'm writing ha 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 all over my chest. Can't forget the eyelashes. Before I spray my hair with that green, I'm going to cover it with this gel to try to put like a coat over it, so just in case, because my hair is colored. So back with the green, baby, and we are done. What you think? Let me know, because I think this is so freaking lit. I promise you. I wish my lighting was a little better. I recorded this at night, but either way, yes, baby, yes, yes, yes. But I appreciate everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.